Welcome into In Search of Speed Diecast Racing. That's right, I'm Jeff. I'm your host for today's video. Thank you so much. Well, after all those qualification races, it left me with a lot of featherweight cars in that 20 to 39 gram category. So I had some off-camera racing, and we have seven contenders here. There's the next number one contender on to the seventh. So we're going to give 40-something his opportunity to see if he can knock out some cars from that Elite 9, our fastest featherweight cars in the 20 to 39 category. 40-something, you ready? Let's get it on. Watch the rest of this video, and if we're providing good entertainment, maybe a little bit of knowledge, showing you which cars are fast out there, help this channel grow. We want to hit 1,000 subscribers. Smash the subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up. There's big things that can start happening once this channel grows. More speed, better track, better entertainment. Let's get back to some racing. First featherweight Elite 9 member on the chopping block is from a mystery series. That's the number 3 mystery car. The Datsun Bluebird is on the chopping block. You ready to race the 40-something? There they are. I think 40-something takes this in the second fastest lane. On your mark, get set, and go. Ooh, barely takes it. Let's do that again. Let's see if he's consistent. On your mark, get set, and go. Okay. Yep, he's warming up. He had a little bit more gap on that one. Well, that concludes the mystery Datsun Bluebird's time in the Elite 9. He was fast, just not fast enough. I'm experimenting with some new lube, trying to get faster. I got so close at scale racing, so I'm going to experiment with these guys. They had a little potential, showed a little potential, so we're going to see what they do with the new lube. Contending for the 8th position. Defending the 8th spot is that orange clear speeder. Let's see what he can do. So far, the 40-something getting it done from the second fastest lane. On your mark, get set, and go. And gets it done in the second fastest lane again. He's number 8 as of now. So I guess you can call him our gatekeeper. Orange clear speeder is number 9. But now up next is the 1967 Chevelle, the 7th position being defended now. That's 67 Chevelle SS defending the 7th spot. He drops down to 8 with the loss. On your mark, get set, and go. And he drops. Defending the 6th spot, an Elite 9 member, the 6th fastest. That's a newer cast, and I'm pretty impressed for his weight division. That's the number 6 Twin Mill defending. On your mark, get set, and go. Taking it. Wow, it looked like Twin Mill slowed down. I'm going to have to rework him. And our next opponent, that's not Rod, the 2nd fastest clear speeder from that series we had. On your mark, get set, and go. There he goes. And the number 4th ranked car in the featherweight division, that's Country Club Muscle. Let's see if he can defend and hold this 4th spot. On your mark, get set, and go. 40-something, get it done. Now, theoretically, it should end here because in the contention races that I had off camera, Butterfinger did beat 40-something and was the first number 1 contender. So he should hold his place, but let's find out. Here we go with the rematch. On your mark, get set, and go. He jumps up and gets him. So there we have it. We have a new looking Elite 9 in the featherweight division. 40-something is our 4th fastest. Up next, let's look at the number 2 contender, ex-Tower member, one of my car crushes. I know Dale at DXP Diecast Racing. He said he wasn't going to be in the Tower long, but at least he's in the featherweight division. Let's see how far he can make his way in the ranks. Former Tower member, Super Dude, still trying to keep his elite status, at least in his own respective weight division. Let's see if he can enter by knocking off his cousin there, the orange clear speeder. On your mark, get set, and go. Super Dude is fast. Super Dude beats him. 67 Chevelle SS up next, the 8th fastest. There he is, former Tower member trying to retain his elite status, at least in his respective featherweight division. Let's see if he can take him out for the 8th spot. On your mark, get set, and go. Super Dude taking it. For the 6th spot, there's that newer Twin Mill casting. Let's get it on. Okay, Super Dude going up against the Twin Mill. Let's see if he can keep it on. Keep moving up. On your mark, get set, and go. Super Dude. That's our 6th fastest car. He's taking on his brother, Not Rod, the clear speeder. Okay, Super Dude in lane 5. On your mark, get set, and go! There he goes. Now we got a rematch. Remember that Clear Speeder Edition video that I did based on that video from back in 2018 or so? The rematch. Super Dude taking on Country Club Muscle. This ought to be good. Here we go. On your mark, get set, and go! Oh, Super Dude took him. Defending the 4th fastest position, the newcomer to the Elite 9 in the Featherweight division, 40-something. On your mark, get set, and go! Oh, tight. Clear Speeder won. Let's go and do that again. Okay, Super Dude lane 5. Let's go 40-something lane 2. On your mark, get set, and go! Super Dude. Super Dude, that fastest clear speeder I have of the 4 that I bought. He's waking up. He's taking on the number 3 fastest. That's the 1970 Chevelle. Let's see if Butterfinger can get it done and hold his ground. Got some good Christmas time racing here. On your mark, get set, and go! Oh, what is up with Super Dude? See, we get the same results. On your mark, get set, and go! Yep, Super Dude. Don't tell me what's going on, but Super Dude could not beat them when I was trying to rank contenders. But he's going up against the original number 1 contender. Let's see if he wakes up and can beat him. That's the GTO. Let's see if he can do it. And just to show you how lane number 2 is the fastest. On your mark, get set, and go! See that? See if we can get 2 wins in a row out of that clear speeder. On your mark, get set, and go! No, GTO. Let's change them up. Okay, let's go lane 5s and 6. On your mark, get set, and go! Ooh, clear speeder there. Clear speeder with the advantage. On your mark, get set, and go! Ooh, clear speeder got him for the championship. Now, Super Dude, the clear speeder, has beat the Charger. That's how he was able to get into the ranks for a little bit here in the tower and was our gatekeeper until he got ousted. But in my observation, without a clock, I really think that Dodge Charger, Mr. Watkins, is getting faster. But let's find out. On your mark, get set, and go! Yeah, see? Let's see if we can get 2 in a row. Watkins Drift Charger getting it done in the 2nd fastest lane. Let's see if we can do it again. The 2nd time. On your mark, get set, and go! Wow, that is a good car. I think I'm sending them to you, Dave. Elevation Diecast Racing. Me and Dave over at Elevation Diecast Racing are talking about having a friendly channel versus channel racing event going on YouTube. Dave, I think I'm going to send Mr. Watkins to represent my 30-gram category. He's our featherweight champion in that category, folks. Plenty more racing to come. We have lightweight cars in the 40 to 49 gram who need to compete and see if they can oust any of those Elite 9. We have a little bit more of the middleweights that I still need to come. There's our champion there in the 50 to 59 gram category, and plenty heavyweights. I got to get a trophy made up for. I got the trophy, just need the sign. In our heavyweight category, that's 60 grams on up. We have the YouTube subscribers, Owen Button shown, I think I'm saying that right, and Ernesto Garcia and Son. They send in a request. They want to see a dream race. It's some of their fast cars at their channel. So we got that big King of the Hill event coming. I got some cars there. The rest are in the mail. Folks, y'all have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and until next time, you know what I'm going to say. Crack a card open and race it. I'll see you at the next video.